Pinaplansya na ng Commission on Elections ang plano nitong ilipat ang ilang voting center sa mga mall. Ayon kay COMELEC Chairperson Andres Bautista, layunin ng kanilang hakbang na mapaganda ang voting experience ng publiko. Ang ulat mula kay Ria Fernandez.
Voting center mall. Nakipagpulong ang ahensya sa mga kinatawan ng mga katuwang na mall sa buong bansa. Dito inilahad ni COMELEC Chairperson Andres Bautista ang kanilang mga kahilingan.
And then we have expressed a preference for a ground floor location in the mall. So while these are some of the physical requirements that we have requested, again, this is like our wish list, that there must be a waiting area that is adjacent to the clustered precinct, and then we need railings, dividers, separators, or other similar devices to secure the space and aid in the orderly queuing of voters.
Nagre-request din ng COMELEC ng lugar para sa mga naka-duty na pulis at sundalo at 24/7 storage room na may CCTV kung saan maaaring mag-monitor ang mga poll watcher at security personnel. Nasa plano rin ng COMELEC nakaroon ng mga voting booth para sa mga regular na botante at sa persons with disabilities o PWDs.
We believe that an orderly environment promotes responsible voting. Minsan pagka maayos yung lugar, parang you tend to follow rules, you tend to behave properly. So yun ang theory natin dito.
Sakaling maaprubahan, inaasahan na sa December 15 mailalabas ng COMELEC ang mga presintong ililipat sa mga mall at tinatayang 2 milyon hanggang 5 milyong botante na karamihay mga PWD at senior citizen ang unang makararanas nito.
We want to do this because, as I said, it will enhance the voting experience. I think that there are really many advantages for doing this. In the poll that was conducted by Sir James Jimenez, there was an 80% approval rating in respect of this idea of mall voting.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ria Fernandez.